Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this lecture we are in reagent chemistry, one of the most important reagent, that is DIBAL-H. DIBAL-H is nothing but diisobutylaluminium hydride. So when you are studying any reagent when you are studying, just one simple one simple suggestion, not a question, suggestion. When you are studying any reagent chemistry, any reagent, so which functional group is going to reduce, or whether it is oxidize or reduce, which functional group, whether you are using lithium aluminum hydride, whether you are using sodium borohydride, whether DIBAL-H, whatever it may be reagent, so which functional group is going to reduce? First you think, you remember one small things, don't by heart any things, don't you know memorizing any things in this chemistry. Many people are getting so much of afraid when you are looking this chemistry, it is in one paper, two paper, oh my god, how we are able to memorize these are all things, like organic chemistry. So very simple technique, you should understand minimum basics of chemistry. After that, in named reactions also, which substrate, which reagent, which product, these three things you should know. And reagent chemistry, which reagent using, which functional group going to reduce, which functional group, that's it. Small information, don't by heart anything, don't first of all, don't afraid anything in this chemistry is very simple if you are understand. If you are not understand, it is not easy. So if you see this reagent, any reagent you take, which functional group it is going to reduce. See here, I am taking here DIBAL-H, DIBAL-H, diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So is this DIBAL-H, I think it is mostly important for CSIR, GATE, NET, everyone competitive exams, and who are studying post graduation, MSc student as well as BSc who are studying this chemistry. So everywhere this DIBAL-H will come. It is a strong reducing agent. Here given the structures: one hydrogen aluminum hydride, two isobutyl compounds are combination. This is the structure. So it is strong reducing agent. DIBAL-H is a strong reducing agent. So what is the use of this DIBAL-H while using? Why we are using this DIBAL-H? You can see here: acyl chloride, acids, esters, cyanides, amides. These are all functional groups are going to converted into aldehydes. Okay, aldehydes. And next to you see aldehydes and ketones. These are the carbonyl compounds, right? These carbonyl compounds are going to converted into alcohols. That's it. This is for what DIBAL, diisobutyl aluminum hydrides are going to do. So I given the small examples. If you see the examples, if you write the examples, that's it. This is enough for understanding this DIBAL-H. Here you see, this is the carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds are going to converted into alcohols. So very simple. You see, this is the alcohols. This is the carbonyl compound, right? So you'll get alcohols. If you see, this is the cyanide compound. Cyanide compounds, if you see the cyanide compounds, what is will get? Aldehydes. Obviously aldehydes, right? So you will get the aldehydes compounds here. And if you see, this is the amides. What is the amides are going to converted into? I written here, amides are going to converted into aldehydes. That's it. So DIBAL-H, it is going to reduce. I think all of you know that what is the oxidation and what is the reduce. If you are adding the oxygens, then we can call it as oxidation. If you are adding the hydrogens, then we can call it as reduction. So if you see, C double bond OH, aldehyde, right? So I will give one more example so that you can understand more better of this DIBAL-H. I will give the four more examples to you, right, so that you can understand very better. So if you see, I will give examples to you so that you can understand more better. So here, this is a 6-membered ring. Here you have a one cyanide group, right? So it is treated with DIBAL-H. And one more, here we have a one ester compound. It is treated with 2 equivalents of DIBAL-H. Okay. And one more, if you see here, we have a one more esters. It is treated with 2 equivalents of DIBAL-H. One time they will give 2 equivalents, one time they will give 1 equivalent. So based on their question, you need to write the answer. So if you see the answers, so obviously this is a cyanide, right? Cyanide is going to convert it into aldehyde just now before we discussed. So if you see the same, you should write as it is, just to you can keep aldehyde group here and as it is. Very simple. Once you can understand which reagent is acts which one. So here we have a esters. Ester is quite, first it is going to convert it into aldehydes, again it is going to convert it into alcohols, because 2 equivalents are given here. Please write down, note it down. Here they are given a 2 equivalents, right? So first you will get aldehydes, again it is treated with one more DIBAL-H. So it is going to alcohols, right? Finally we'll get the alcohol compounds. Again here you can see the ester compound. First which if you given any questions, so which functional group they are given, so DIBAL-H which functional group is going to reduce, you should identify those, because here we have a one protection group is there, so you don't do anything this protection group. And you see here ester compounds, so ester compounds are going to convert it into first 2 mole equivalents aldehyde. So again one more DIBAL-H, right? So we'll get alcohols. This is for what DIBAL-H is going to do. And next one more important, DIBAL-H is already it is alkyls also, alkynes also going to reduce. If you see 2 more questions with alkynes, what is the going to do in alkynes? If you see in that alkynes, I will give one examples. So alkynes also it is going to reduce. If you see, so here I given C4H9 C triple bond CH. So it is treated with first DIBAL-H, second I2. So what is the answer we'll get if you see this reaction? So we'll see DIBAL-H. DIBAL-H is nothing but you will write like this, IBU2, right? You should write like this. So if you see this hydrogen will attack on in this place, and this hydrogen will attack. If you see uh, electrons are moving in this way, so hydrogens are like attaching. So we'll get that answer C4H9 C double bond C. Here we have a H, here we have a H, and here aluminium IBU2, right? So any metal, carbon beside any metal will get positive charge, it is a negative charge, right? So iodine will give the iodine compound, this negative charge is attack on in this place, one iodine will leave. So final answer is alkene. So here we'll get, this is for what, your product, am I right? So same example, if you see one more CH3 C triple bond C CH3, first DIBAL-H, second carbon dioxide, third work up in the sense water we hydrogen will attack. So if you see, if you write same, so that you can understand Bu2. So it is attack on this place and it is attack on this place. So you will get C, CH, here H, C double bond, CH3. Here you will take one aluminium, IBU2. Here you have a positive and negative, right? So again it is going to react with carbon dioxide. So this negative charge is going to attack on this electrophilic center and this bond is migrated towards the oxygen. So you will get, I will write in this place. So you will get the product is CH3, C, CH, CH3. Here you will get C double bond OO minus, right? So again work up in the sense where it is required hydrogens, it will take the hydrogens from in this place. So you will get that compound is C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O1 acid group. This is for what product? This is the for what reagent, that is in DIBAL-H. So any reagent, I already informed first of the reaction lecture. Any reagent which functional group is going to reduce. You should remember one thing, that is in named reactions, what are the what are the substrate we are taking and which reagent using and which product will get. Three things we should know that. And if you are learn completely organic in the sense, first we need to learn organic GOC, general organic chemistry. At that at the level you need to start by general organic chemistry, aromaticity, stereochemistry. After then you will come to reagent chemistry. That is a better level for any organic chemistry to understand anything. So thanks for watching. If you like, if you want, I hope everyone understand this video. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone.